How we can create presentation using Marmoset Toolbag? We're gonna use this simple prop that we have done in the previous tutorials here in this channel, guys. And the first thing that we need to do, let me open Marmoset Toolbag first. Cool. And the first thing that we need to do is here in the Substance Painter, let me save it. We need to find our HDRI. So for example, I'm using the panorama to environment map. I need to use the same HDRI into the Marmoset Toolbag. Of course, I can use another, but we will not have the same result here. So one thing that I like to do is come here, this option, environments, and type panorama. Right bottom of the mouse, and click on show in Explorer. And here we have the map. I can copy it, Ctrl C, and I can paste it, documents, Ctrl V can be. Let me copy the location file. And here into the Marmoset Toolbag, I can come here, image. Oops. Yeah, it can be here, paste the location, choice panorama, and ta-da! From this point, we can start making the things. So also let me import the model. Let me import here the model. And guys, if you want, you can make download of this file with the teachers to follow this tutorial. So this is my gift for you. So please enjoy the video and comment and share the video also. And I'm gonna select trunk, LP, trunks, Dragon Ball. That's cool. And here we can play with that. For example, we could create something like that. Let me see these guys here. Ctrl D and make something like that maybe. Let me select these guys. Yeah. Let me delete this one, and here let me duplicate that. 1, 2, and 3. Maybe something like that. Yeah, it's possible if you want. And I could duplicate it, rotate also. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I'm just exploring the things. Let me see, and I could duplicate that. Something like that. Could be, yeah, maybe. So let me see. Yeah, I think it will works. Let him add scene, shadow catcher, and let him add scene light directional. Ooh, let me rotate that. Oops. Come on, my friend. Something like that. Yeah, can we this sky, let me go to color. Can be or purple maybe. Yeah. The first path. Yeah, that's okay. So now Let me see what more. Hey guys, just to remind you that we have new premium course every month uploaded on Udemy and Skillshare, where you can access a lot of different content for you learn, improve and grow as an artist. We have all of our courses available to watch and learn from right now, new workflows, techniques, tips and tricks, and now learning from industry veterans and experts. You can check the description down here, and Skillshare is offering 1 free-month trial to the premium membership. With this membership, you are going to be able to access all of our course and watch and learn all of these amazing things that we cover with all of the softwares. So what are you waiting for? Check our course down here below. Now I need to add the textures, so let me return to Substance, File, and we're gonna have one by one here. So File, Export Textures, and here I'm gonna use the PPR Metallic Roughness. I'm gonna keep this option for all the textures. And let me select the location. So let me select the location where I wanna send, export the files, and it's going, yeah, base color, high map, metalness, normal roughness. It's okay. High map isn't necessary. So let me close it. Go to export, texture, and select this guy. Emissive high map isn't necessary. Let me turn off. I could create my own preset, but well, that's okay. And now let me select these guys here and let me do all it. Select, pass the location, select the folder and export again. So yeah, let me return to textures, and yeah, that's okay. Little messed, but that's okay. So now the cool part is that we have the trunk X bottom. So let me see your trunk X bottom. So it's this one here. So normal map, it's this one. Trunk, let me see here. X bottom. So let me find here. Trunk X bottom. Yeah, it's this one. The roughness, basically, the roughness, it's the same for all, so isn't necessary just one roughness and one metalness. What I need in one normal map, so what I need is just the different albedo. So I can, for example, delete all, just keep only one normal map, metalness, and roughness, because it's the same. We just have color variation. So I can use the metalness here and the roughness here. And let me see here. I have one variation. Now I need to know X bottom, X middle. So this is the X bottom. So let me add here. Yeah, the bottom. Cool. The middle here. Albedo. The metalness. The roughness, normal map. Of course, the normal map we need to click flip Y. Same here, flip Y. It's a simple thing, but it's necessary. And top, middle, top. That's okay. Flip normal. Flip Y, sorry, it isn't flip normal. Let me see here. the L, so it's this one here, the L albedo, and this one it's the R, so albedo. Metalness, the black, roughness, and normal map. Flip Y. Same for this guy. Roughness, metalness, flip Y. Yeah. We could create more variation if we want. And I think that the roughness, it's a little intense. The cool part that we could control here maybe, but yeah. I think we could increase a little bit the roughness. So let me go here to the base. This guy here, base, and the roughness we're gonna set to 0.7, and we're gonna export this here, just the trunk underscore YR. So it's this one here. And what I'm gonna do is just export the roughness. Just the roughness. So yeah, that's okay. Let me open here again. And it was updated automatically. So yeah. And now, for example, if one, we can reduce a little bit to have a handly roughness here. Yeah, that's okay. That's cool. We could rotate here, create a better variation here if we want. For example, here. Yeah. Simple here. More on this way. Create this variation. I could make it into the Maya. It would be better, but well. I think it would be better to pose. You can create a better pose into the Maya if you want. Yeah. So let me rotate a little bit more here. Yeah. Just this pose. Yeah, that's good. And now what I want, it's a light more, a backlight, and I'm gonna work with 3-point lights here. So first, let me add a scene, add a camera. So is it that we're gonna do? And let me rename this camera. No, can be camera 1. So it's activated. Let me select the light. 7 maybe. No, I'm gonna 6.3. Turn off this guy here also. And what I'm gonna do is add a light. Can be a directional. And it will be the light from this. Let me active here, guys, the show guide. And let me have this point. It's kind of this cut the ring light from this direction, and here I can set to 7, maybe a little more intense, something like that. That's okay. I can duplicate that and rotate. Let me turn off this one and rotate to this another side. Something like that. Yeah. So basically something like that. Yeah, can be. Here can be a blue or purple color, or more red maybe. Something like that. But it's still marking too much. Let me see. And this another can be blue or purple, but I'm gonna set more like blue. And here more to red. And I have this one that can be. Let me activate the sky, of course. And yeah, it's all too intense, but it's going well. That's good. That's okay. Set something like that. Select this guy here, or on this way here. And the camera option, camera 1, we can activate some options here. Let me set 30. This guy and something like that. Yeah, can be. And now we can work with 8s if we want, but I'm gonna keep linear. And here I'm gonna use the vignette, something more like that. Softness also. Let me move this guy and turn off the guidelines. That's cool. Camera, yeah, we can increase a little bit sharpen. Here, something like that. Yeah, I like it. This piece here can be just 1.1. Here, any movement, it's extremely important. You need to take care. The shadows can reduce a little bit. Contrast can increase the contrast a little bit also. Let me move to this side here. And sharpen, it's a little intense. Let me reduce a little bit, yeah. Divine at, let me increase a little bit more. Also we could change the direction here if we want. For example, this guy, for example, to another direction, but I think that's okay here. The cool part is that, for example, we could add, here select camera, scene, add backdrop. And this backdrop, we can add an image here. So this image, first, let me select this light here. I'm gonna increase a little bit. Not too much. Yeah, it can be 6.7. It's enough. We could create, let me duplicate this guy. Oops. 1, 2, 3, This one not this one. Where are you? Let me see. This guy. 1, 2, and you. Yeah. So I could duplicate that. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. And let me move here. Maybe, yeah. Yeah, maybe it's a better composition. Cool. And the color here could be more to blue, maybe. Maybe something more to this way. Yeah. Let me select the camera here, guys, also, and active the save frame just to see the correctly size. So here we could have the icon, rendering option, use watermark, yeah, can be. Also, we're gonna active the diffuse, specular, the ambient occlusion on. Screen, sorry. Let me set more or less on this way. Let me set to off. It's in screen. That's cool. Awesome. Let me reduce a little bit off. Screen, yeah, can be. That's okay. We will not use ray tracing for now. I'm gonna keep it this way. That's okay. And let me see local reflections. No, it's a necessary reflection, and I think that is it. To image, we can use the preset, yeah. Samples, we can use 512. And now we could go to Google, and here we could use purple gradient wallpaper, for example. No. Let me see here. Something like that. Gradient. Something like that. Let me see. Full HD. Something like that, maybe, but I don't know if it's possible. Maybe wood. Let me make download here. Select this file location. Save. And we can come here to backdrop, select the image. And we can also reduce the opacity. For example, like that. 0.02. Yeah, just to play a little bit. Simple thing. And the camera. We also can control the vignette here. Something like that. And sharpen. A little bit more strong. The contrast. 1.04 too much. 0.3. Yeah, 0.2. It's enough. 0.25. Yeah, awesome. And now, for example, we can make the rendering. Look, but before it, look the difference. The camera one that we have set at it and the normal camera. Look the difference. Yeah. So it's important to make the settings. Let me just select main camera. here active save frame and just try to pose it something like that and go to camera. Yeah, we could also, yeah, maybe main camera. Let me go to camera 1 and add a little bit of perspective. Yeah. No, I gonna keep more orthographic vibe. Yeah. Something like that. We could also add, for example, focus more here and have a blur, but that's enough. That's enough. Yeah. That's cool. So now we can make the rendering, for example. Go to render, select the location, can select the location, render, underline 1. Oops. And we can make the rendering image. And it's done. Let me see here. And yeah, whoops. And here we have a problem because we need select the camera, that 1, and it by default it's rendering the main camera, so I need add a new camera 1 and turn off the main camera. It's good because now we can see the difference and we can make the rendering. So yeah, so we have this by default and the new. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, we could increase a little bit, but yeah, guys, I really like it. It's a simple study that we can create presentations and make more studies. For example, have a better highlight here, settings and all these stuff, but it's very, very useful and helpful. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. It's a simple prop, simple stuff, but I really like it to make it with you. And yeah, here we have this problem. Let me just fix it here. Yeah, yeah, that's okay. Let me see one more, maybe here also something. Yeah, can be one more here. And yeah, I think that's okay. Camera and rendering and render image. So yeah, let me open again. And ta-da! Here we have the final result. It seems easy, but isn't easy. It's very hard to make these things. You need knowledge and understand the workflow, but I really hope you have enjoyed, guys. But of course, guys, if you want, you can activate the user ray tracing, advanced samples. Here we can increase a little bit, set 3, and here 512. Just let me see the guide here. Let me see it. Yeah, these landmarks, it's because probably the lights, but that's okay. And you can make the rendering. Rendered by image, and we're gonna have something like that. Here without the ray tracing, and here with the ray tracing. We have the shadows and all these things. It's depend of each game. For example, have games that we will not use ray tracing and have games that we will use. So it's depend of you, but you can see we have these elements here. Really cool also. So just these parts organized. Yeah. And yeah, is it, guys? So I hope you have enjoyed and see you.